Hi, welcome to lawrenceholberg.com. This is a general overview of how to change the menus on your site. You do have three menus. You have the demo top menu, which is actually located here. Click here to select or create a menu. You have your main menu, which is here, and you also have a footer menu, which is down here. This would be contact us, advertising, advertise with us, privacy policy, those types of menus that people are looking for, similar to that. It could be other, about us. It could be anything you want down here, but advertising for us, basically anything that has to do with contact us or any private information usually goes in this location down here. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to come in here and go to appearance and then go to menus. Okay, once you're there, you'll notice here that you have the menus here. You want to select a menu to edit. Here would be the main menu. Notice how it says main here, and you can see change your water, unity consciousness, space earth, and contact us. Now if you want to add a page, a link here, if the list is not here, you can go view all, and if you still can't find it, search within the article base, and usually you can find it there. If this list gets really long, the search might work extremely fast, but this is the most recent. So let's say we want to add another change your water. Click add to your menu, and these are draggable here. So if you want to do a sub menu, you would go there, add a unity consciousness, another one of those, and then go ahead and make that a sub menu. Okay, so we have two subs within subs to the main menu. Let's go ahead and click save. Back here, let's click refresh. Okay, and notice the arrow pop down, and there's your sub and your sub within your sub. So that's done. That's pretty simple to explain here. If you want to remove them, click page, click remove. Okay, come down here and click remove. Okay, now if you want to change the titles, obviously there's the label. You can do a title attribute if you'd like, and you can also choose to make it a category menu, which then of course would add categories to your list. One other way to do that is to click here and just choose a category here, and that will accomplish almost basically the same goal. You can also use icons here as well. Okay, and that's pretty much all there is to this section here. So let's go ahead and cancel right here. Looks like our menu is the same. Let's go ahead and save it. Now let's go talk about our demo menu on the top. Go ahead and hit select here. Now this information up here, if you can use menus, or you can actually put text up here and come to the contact us. For example, if you want to put office hours or any other contact information or pertinent information like phone numbers or anything, you could also use that as well here. And let's see, and then you want to go to the demo footer. Go ahead and click select here. Okay, you notice the contact us is there. Let's go ahead and add to the menu here and click save. Come back, refresh. Let's come down here right fast, refresh, and there's the home right there. Okay, let's go back and remove it. I've already removed it. Refresh your page, and the home should actually be gone. So now there's the contact us. Now I did notice something, and I hadn't thought about it, and I believe I went in and changed the settings. Let's say, for example, this menu up here. Okay, this menu in the demo top here. Let's go back to that, and notice here that the demo top does have three items here. However, they are not showing here. That's because we need to manage locations, and notice here the top header menu is not assigned. Let's go ahead and assign it to the demo top here. Okay, or we can create a new menu, demo top. Now once we save those changes, let's go back and refresh, and notice now there's three items up here. Okay, now let's say products review. Let's go and look at products review. Let's go back to edit menus since we assigned the demo top, and let's go to the demo top here, and let's go to products reviews. Okay, now we could actually come in here and we could actually, it's not assigned to URL, so we can remove the URL and we can change this to a phone number. Okay, and click save menu. Okay, and notice we come back and refresh the page, and there's actually information here that's not clickable. So that works well with email addresses, contact us information, things of that nature. So you can actually still use this location, but not make it clickable menus. Just make it text only. Okay. and that office hours sometimes work well up there. Phone numbers, emails, just your quick information that people need to see immediately, so that they contact you. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go back here and let's go create a new menu. Okay, and we're going to call it test. Okay, you can call it whatever you want. Okay, and let's go to manage locations, and let's take this demo up here and let's choose test up here and click save. Now we're assigning test to the main menu. Go back and clear. These should all disappear. And now you have a test menu up here. So you can create as many menus as you want. And notice here that test is showing up here. Okay, and it's already assigned to top header. And there's nothing over here. So we want to go ahead and add something to the test menu. Go ahead and click save. Come back. Hit refresh. And boom, there you go. Thank you for contacting us. Okay, so you can create as many menus as you want, temporary ones, and then assign them to the locations here that are listed here, and you have 3 locations that are created within this template, and you can create as many menus as you want, and also delete them as well. So test is chosen here, and if we want to delete test, go ahead and click delete. Okay, test is gone. Go back to manage locations. Because test is deleted, this is once again blank. Click save. Okay, come back to edit menus, and then you should see nothing up here, and except for this only shows right here because you're logged in. This will not show to your visitors. Okay, and if you want to just do links outside of your platform, not linking pages within your platform, you would choose links here. Say you want to go send somebody to Google. Okay, and you would say go to Google. Okay, you want to add that to the menu. Okay, create that as a sub item. Click save. Come back here. Hit refresh. And where did here drop down? Go to Google. Okay, and it takes them to Google. Okay, let's go back right fast. Okay, let's go click the items for Google. Okay, and this should be it. Let's go ahead and remove this. Now I know I did create a second tutorial on how to add categories. I'm just going to go ahead and add it to this video so that it's all inclusive concerning your menus. Let's go down to categories again. Let's go ahead and add category 1. Add that to the menu. Okay, and go into category and choose the category 1 here, which would be a category for your article base. Click save. Come back here. Hit refresh. And notice that your categories here, go ahead and drop down, are showing now with sliders underneath. Similar to the template design. Okay, come back up here, and if we want to remove category, go ahead and click remove. Click save menu. Now if you wanted to add a menu to your footer, okay, a menu down here, what you could do is you could go to, now this is separate, go to widgets, appearance, widgets, go over to footer 1, footer 2, or footer 3 locations, and that would be in your template design. That would be, for example, like this. Okay, this would be footer 1, footer 2, and footer 3. Footer 1 is this left low, middle, footer 3. Go to widgets. Let's go to footer 1, position here, and on the left hand side, let's go add a custom menu. Drag it over. Custom menu to that location. Call it test. Add the location. Let's use the main menu, which would be TD header. Go ahead and click save. Come back, hit refresh. Okay, and notice that your main menu is now down here. Let's call it main menu. Okay, main menu. Click save. Come back, hit refresh. And there you go. Now you have a menu on the footer, and you can add as many menus down here as you want separately. So let's say, for example, you needed a menu that had links to nothing but your advertising information, or to nothing but your third-party links, or whatever the links may be. You want to add those to your footer of each page, then you do that there. Okay, actually, this is the universal footer. Okay, and you have a top right social, different positions here, but primarily the menus go in the footer. Okay, and so that's how that's done. Now let's go back. Say you want to remove that. Let's go to footer, come down here and just click delete. Okay, and you're good to go here. Now notice on the template they also created popular category here. They have categories You want to go, actually that's outside of that's outside of you would use this widget here and drag that widget over as well, and that would be a similar way to adding a menu but without creating a menu, because you could create a category there. Okay, and that basically would create a list of all your categories. If that's what you wanted to do here, it would add all your categories, popular categories. Okay, so, and that would be, you could similarly maybe create a menu like that as well. So but this concludes your tutorial on how to edit menus on the site. The three major menu locations, which is the footer here, or the copyright section down here. They call it footer. Then you also have your three footer locations in the footer here, and then using widgets, and then you have your main menus here, and then you have your top header top menu here for your locations. So on the template, notice here down here they have disclaimer, privacy, advertising, about us. Those would be similar copyright section, demo, footer locations are menus. And then up here they have the blog, purchase theme, contact, forums. Maybe contact us is appropriate up there. Quick information blogs if you wanted to click, take them to your blog. And then obviously they have the menus here with the drop downs and the categories all listed in. And notice they also have categories with subcategories. And notice how the subcategories drop down here. Okay. That concludes your tutorial on how to edit and change your menus on your site. Thanks, hope that helped, and have a blessed day. Bye.